we guide you through how to fix Samsung touch screen not working. First, restart your Samsung phone by holding the power button and selecting restart, as a quick reboot can fix temporary system glitches. If the screen is completely unresponsive, first restart your device by holding the power and volume down buttons together for about 10 to 15 seconds. Next, check if your screen has dirt, water, or fingerprints that may be affecting touch sensitivity, then clean it with a soft, dry cloth. If you use a screen protector or case, remove it temporarily to see if it's causing touch issues. You can also enable touch sensitivity by going to Settings, Display, and turning on touch sensitivity. If the problem started after installing an app, boot your phone into safe mode to check if the third-party app is causing the issue. Make sure your software is updated by checking for system updates in Settings. If your Samsung touchscreen is still not responding, you may need to reset your device settings or contact Samsung support for further assistance.